In today's video, I'll show you how to transform any photo into a pencil sketch or drawing in 60 seconds using Photoshop. First off, duplicate your image by dragging it towards the new layer button. Once you have this new layer, select it and hit Ctrl-I on the keyboard or Command-I if you're using Mac. Keep this layer selected and open up the blend mode settings. Set the blending to color dodge instead of normal. And once you've done that, click on the adjustment layer button and choose the option hue/saturation. What we want to do is we want to decrease the saturation all the way to -100 to remove every color in our image so it resembles the pencil drawing layer. Next up, select the duplicated layer and head over to the filter menu. Expand the blur option and click on the Gaussian blur and basically play with the slider until you find the best results for you. Click OK, and before we finish, we're gonna add another adjustment layer and we're gonna click on levels. And you can play with these sliders and make your picture stand out more by adding bits of darkness onto it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.